Well, it took a month to get it all here, but we finally have actual KX 125 Forks Triple Tree. 1997. Exactly the same year as the Diecycle. So let's get this installed and see how it's going to work. Alright, well we finally got that installed. So it is sitting a little bit high right here, but I'm going to leave that for now just in case that's how I like it when it's actually being ridden. But for now, you can kind of get a sense that here be something like that. I notice now that my brake lever is going to be a little bit interesting. Make myself a cane here. Oh, that's not too bad. Hell, that's actually not bad at all. Ah, I'm caught. Sweet. Alright, I'm going to turn those. Yep. I do wonder though, are these really the handlebars I want to go with? No, they are absolutely not. These bars are junk. I might do ape hangers. We'll have to see. Now don't forget, if you want to win that Samsung tablet or the Super Clean bundle, hop on over to my last video and either comment or comment both Samsung and or Super Clean. Do it in 2 separate comments. That way I can have that randomizer go either Super Clean or Samsung. But yeah, I'm giving away a Samsung Galaxy Tablet 3 and a Super Clean bundle. So if you want to try to get that, no catch. If you win, I'm just going to ship it to you. So that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.